Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Hello, welcome to today's vlog. I have not vlogged in a hot minute. I've heard your cries. I really did hear your cries. The girlies really wanted a vlog, so here I am with a... Sorry, my nose is really wet. I heard your cries for a vlog, so here I am with a vlog. I hope you guys love it. I'm gonna cut to the bit this morning where I had no makeup on. I'm just here to intro the vlog. Most of today's vlog is from a couple of days ago, but I hope you guys love it. And yeah, morning. Today's video is a vlog because I've heard your cries, and yes, today I'm gonna do a vlog. Why does my hair look like that? I've got my hair back in braids. Hold on, wait, let me sort it out a minute because I don't know what it looks like that. The sun is coming in, it's so nice. I haven't done a vlog in a minute, so today's vlog is gonna be like briefish. Some shenanigans I was getting up to with my friends the other day. I went to the gym with my friend and I took my camera. I didn't really film much. It was like my first gym session back, so it was very rusty. Right now I've got a face mask on. I've got the Body Shop Himalayan charcoal face mask on because my skin randomly just started freaking out a few days ago, and it's literally just on this area and I have a spot there. But apart from that, all is well. I've just got it up in a bun at the moment. I've literally just got like knotless braids. Hopefully you can see. But the actual braids themselves aren't very thick, so this feels really nice and comfortable. It doesn't feel like there's a whole load of hair on my head, which is nice. So today we're going to start with a lovely bit of skincare. So I'm going to cut to some skincare that I filmed the other day so you guys can see my nice calming morning routine, and then maybe we'll cut back here and then I'll explain the next bit, and then we'll cut again. Is that how we're going to do it? Yeah, let's play it like that. Right, let me cut real quick so you guys can see my current morning routine. The skincare portion of today's video is sponsored by The Body Shop. You guys know I love The Body Shop, and I know a lot of you guys, my UK babies, I know you lot shop in The Body Shop as well, so it made a lot of sense to partner with them for their new CBD range. They've got a new range with, I've got 3 of the products here. Balm to oil cleanser, which is so lush. I'm going to show you guys in a minute how I use this replenishing moisture cream, which is just so luxe. And then finally they've got this restoring facial oil. This CBD range focuses on hemp and CBD. If you have skin like mine, which I assume a lot of you guys do because that's why you're watching me, around this time of the year when the weather kind of switches, like it switches real quick from, you know, sunny and warm to like cold and harsh and dark, it has the most effect on my skin. The whole idea of this range is to kind of calm down your skin, de-stress, bring back the luminosity in the skin, hydrate dehydrated skin, which is if you live in the UK, this range is perfect. It couldn't have come at a more perfect time. So the 2 key ingredients are hemp seed oil and CBD. It smells like the spa, and the hemp in the product is giving it that spa like smell. It's just very calming, very soothing. I'm going to show you guys real quick how I use the cleansing balm in the bath. When you rub it in, it rubs to like an oily texture, which is just so beautiful. Really good if you want to use it in a 2-step cleanse routine. Most of the times I use it in the morning, but if I've had a long day, of course I'll use it as like step 2 in my 2-step cleansing routine. Cut to the scene where I am using this in the bath, and then I'll come back and finish the rest of my face using the cream and the oil. CBD oil to balm cleanser, that's what the consistency is like. I'm going to talk through the whole thing, but I'm going to jump in the shower. Obviously I won't be talking when I'm in the shower. Starts off as a balm, and then as you work it in, it works into an oil. Replenishing moisture cream. This is formulated for all skin types. Dot it all over my face and work it in. Really nice on the skin, absorbs really quickly. You know, sometimes when products just sit on your skin, this doesn't do that. You can actually feel it like absorbing into the skin. Skin instantly feels like hydrated and moist, which is really nice. Scaled back my routine so much, so I just keep it nice and simple. I use about 4 pumps of this oil, work it into the skin, and just going to finish off with some SPF. Even in the winter, people. Yeah, my skin was just moving real wild and it was not fun. But it's calmed down so much. I'm so appreciative of my like scars and stuff, because it just means that I don't have like, oh, the breakouts were crazy. They were really crazy, really painful. That is my morning routine, sponsored by The Body Shop. These products are now all available. So the oil, the moisturizer, and the oil to balm cleanser. If I was to recommend which one to go, I mean, they're all great. Really love like balmy cleansers. I think they are so luxe on the skin. If you want a new moisturizer, this is also very nice. Very simple, just does the job, calms the skin down, adds moisture. And then the oil was obviously really good, just gives your skin luminosity. So that is my morning skincare routine. So today I am actually shooting content with my manager, my friend who's also my manager. So I need to get ready and then kind of head off. It's quite early still, it's like 8, so I've given myself a good amount of time. It's like race against the time, because by like afternoon the sun is nowhere to be found. It's actually quite a nice bright day today, so I'm very happy about that. But when it gets to like afternoon, it's like sun's gone, party's done. Oh, let me show you guys my hair. Party done. I'm having my hair down today. I think I'm also gonna put my hair in like a little low bun. I'm gonna wear these earrings. I will leave them linked, although I linked them on my Instagram yesterday and they've already sold out, so you gotta be quick. Okay, right, let me go get ready and then I will show you guys what I'm looking like after. Eek. Wait, I'm supposed to be sorry, I'm supposed to be vlogging. I'm with my manager. Sorry. So we're just taking content. This is the second outfit. I'm trying to find locations in London to take.
You should ask the people, guys, if you have like a list of, send them through.
Yeah, I mean, most of you aren't from London, so this might be absolutely useless. But if you happen to be from London,
facts.
My brows look so good today. I used the Benefit Precise in my brow. Amazing. Anyway, if you happen to be from London and you've got some good locations that we can use, then send them through. But I've just got like so much crap, yeah, just to bang out loads of pictures. I mean, baby.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming. Wait, if I didn't bring this place here, I'm a bastard. And then we're gonna go to Selfridges. Em has a voucher. I just wanna, what do I wanna buy? I might get those Dior, you know the Diors that look like this? The Diors that look like Converse. I think I'm gonna get them, because that would have been hard with this outfit.
What was the one? No, I prefer the trainers, you know.
Which ones?
I
The low tops.
I haven't seen Dior's that look
the
like
high
that.
top. Oh my god,
Yeah,
yes. They like, what's his face has them, and I was just like, yeah, they're actually hard. And now I can't stop.
I think maybe I've seen
them on girls more than that.
Oh yeah.
They were sold out last year.
Yeah, but I feel like dressing that is going to be a little bit.
Yes, I'm getting dressed in my car and there's people around. No, because listen, with these jeans, any jeans that are like wide leg,
winner, yeah, for sure.
But you can only really wear it like casually.
You can imagine the youngers would be definitely wearing it with skinny jeans.
The youngers are banging forward. I don't want to know what y'all are doing. Listen, I'm sorry. How do you have so many nice things and you don't have like gainful employment?
Of like,
something is not adding up.
And
it's just not adding up.
And
it's just making no sense.
A jab is a jab.
Listen, anyway, let me turn this before I get in trouble. Is that going to be really annoying? I don't know. But it's raining. Can you see the rain, guys? So we've taken cover in the car.
I know.
We've got one more outfit to shoot, but do you know what? I feel like I might even be alright just like not shooting that.
But what was the outfit? If it was like a fave outfit, then you might as well.
No, I started with the fave.
Oh, okay, great.
We're gonna go to, I love these shoes, but they are absolutely a nightmare to break in. We're gonna go to Selfridges and then get some lunch. Where should we eat?
Yeah, where should we eat? Like,
are you going home before Shisha?
Yeah, I think maybe. I'll see how I feel.
So we're in Selfridges. I popped into YSL, which is like the biggest mistake of my life. This bag is calling my name. You can't really see it, but I'm probably gonna get it. Like realistically, that's the fragrance I was talking about. While I have you guys here, look. This perfume is so nice. It's way nicer than the original.
Not the one that we walked past over there.
This perfume?
Yeah, the perfume we walked past and you...
No, that was Baccarat Rouge. This is so nice.
Is it?
Trying to get us a dinner
sorry, I do want to book Soho. It was just asking to book a table for 3, so...
Should I just buy it? So easy, can I just buy it? Okay, I'm just going to buy it.
Energy.
Oh, to see how it works. Okay.
Obviously it's working well so far.
It's working very well for me. You didn't come in here.
Girl.
It can be dangerous at times.
It's very dangerous. I told you, YSL has me pretty. Do you know what it is? It's this detailing for me. This is just...
But also like a lot of our bags now, just like the set majority are going for the simple logo. Two in your face. You can still kind of dress it with a lot of different.
It's stunning, right? Yeah. Like this hardware, absolutely beautiful. It's like a tainted rose Tainted gold, like a deeper gold.
Yeah.
Not like the rich gold. It's like
Sometimes it depends on the bag, but sometimes we do like the really bright gold.
I prefer this one. Yeah.
Yeah, rather than like a really shiny gold.
Yeah. This gold is perfect. This is horrible. It's raining. I got the bag, guys. I have zero self-control. Right, should we? I'm gonna go to Olenstein. Wait, where did we see it? Was it here?
I don't even know what story you're on about, my dear.
Oh, okay, wait. Come, let's put it in the phone. Olenstein, early.
That's it?
Early. Yeah.
2 minutes, I'm about to go eat.
Yeah, I'm just getting a cinnamon. Maria, you need to try this. She's getting onto me when she tries the cinnamon social. What is it? Okay, so Maria's gonna come back. She's gonna get a Prada card holder and a Gucci bag. And what? I'm not gonna get a Prada bag.
I'm gonna go for the
Oh, sorry, yeah, she's getting.
I like it.
She's getting a Prada bag, Prada card holder, and a Gucci bag. Jesus, it's gonna be a deadly day. Listen, you have to treat yourself.
Listen,
In this life, yeah. Anyways.
if you don't treat yourself, you will.
Someone
Actually, no, take that back. I'll take it back. I'm sorry. This is not. I'm not even with all that anymore. Nah, take it back.
Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and tell
What do you think?
Like a cinnamon bun.
Listen,
No, I don't
Maria's trying to
understand.
disrespect.
But it tastes like a cinnamon bun.
She's disrespecting. It's very shaky. She's disrespecting the cinnamon social.
It tastes like a cinnamon bun.
No, it doesn't. This
tastes like a
isn't
normal-
actually that
Yeah,
nice. This one isn't
I
that
think it
nice.
just tastes like what I get. I could get that from like my local Asda.
But usually it's very like soft and squidgy.
The one in Uche is a really good one. Costa, yeah. Or no, even like it's like the Starbucks one. When they heat it up for you.
I don't go to Starbucks anymore.
Oh yeah, true. Like a Starbucks. I haven't been there.
We don't support Starbucks.
Yeah, true.
Downside of going to lunch with your manager is now she wants to talk about work.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go, baby. So
Not really awake though.
Our babes is here.
It looked very busy.
It was a long queue.
When there was one time me and Aaliyah went there.
Em's got a Malbec. I've got a Bellini. Heffney got
Our gym babe.
our gym babe got a young Sprite. But listen, it's been a long week, so I'm just waiting for my straw.
Wait.
Thank you.
There's 2 branches, one in Dorset, one in. Oh, sorry, not you. Sorry.
She got chicken and prawn. I should have done that.
We're all so basic.
Yeah, we got the same. This is the best thing here.
Yeah, it really is. The cat just doesn't serve that much. Yes. Pour that sauce.
This reminds me of Ibiza.
It does, doesn't it? With that Bellini, although it looks very clear, that Bellini. It don't look at evil. It literally looks like lemonades. Ching ching, that's literally Ibiza. That video.
We'll take that.
How are you finding your food, Heffney?
Touch it or you wait for the sauce?
Caught in the act. Done with that place. So,
what the hell are you lot going over for?
we haven't
Just about to head to the gym. I haven't been to the gym in a minute. I'm gonna do a session with my girl. I'm so excited. Like, guys, I'm so prepped. You can't really even see my outfit. I'm just wearing like this Nike sports bra, Nike half zip, Gymshark leggings. You can't really see them, and like Nike socks and Vans because I love wearing Vans to the gym. I'm gonna head out. Oh, you can't really hear because of the music, but you can.
cover up my fault lines with silly putty. Like the laughs gonna make the bad shit turn to nothing, but that's rubber, I'm glue. All I say stick to you, trying to get closer to the truth. Man, I ain't 22 no more. Gotta shoot for the moon. Fuck if I fall on the floor. I always get back up, ask for more. I'ma keep playing pain strings till they chanting encore. Do you? Don't let them push your youth through a door that they open. This an open wound. I'm an open book.
Okay, lastly, real quick, is the gym scene. This is quite brief. I couldn't really film in the gym because of noise. The noise in the gym was so loud, the music in the gym was so loud, and I didn't want copyright on my thing. But it was just a really cute brief session. It was mostly hamstrings. As you can see in the clip, I'm just struggling big time. Since then, I've been to the gym 4 times, so that was last week. So since then, I'm happy to report I'm back into like the swing of being in the gym, wearing my Fitbit again. I wasn't wearing my Fitbit for a super long time. back to burning like 2,000 plus calories a day, so all is good. Back on my back on my healthy eating, on the way back on like drinking loads of water. I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things, and I'm going away soonish, so I just want to be in a routine before I go away, so that when I come back, it's easy to get back into that routine. First half of autumn winter is always such a shock. It happens every year, I don't know why it's so shocking, but like the weather goes a bit nuts and my skin starts going a bit nuts. Like the days are super dark, the days are super short. Yeah, I'm really trying to get back into the swing of filming and feeling inspired, which, as I said, it's so difficult when you live on this side of the world because of the darkness and the lack of daylight, and just like I'm looking outside my window right now and I'm just like that is so hard, but I'm going to try and get into the swing of it. I hope you loved today's video. Please, any suggestions, any influencers, any YouTubers, any creators that are really lighting up your life at the moment, let me know. I also gain inspiration from watching other people, so if there's someone that you feel is like sick and I should be watching them, please leave them down below. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed today's vlog, and let me know if you want to see some more, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.